Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. Oh, we got another one here. This is a RCI-2950 DX6. It says that the radio does 60 watts PEP on AM. That's probably right out of the box. This one's doing about 80 watts. So the radio was purchased new and tuned and aligned, nothing clipped or ripped out of it or anything like that, tuned the right way. And the keypad LEDs were replaced. They're blue in the middle and they fade to white at the end. It looks really good. Well, here, I'll just show you. So blue in the middle fades to red or white. The blue doesn't look as good on this camera as it does in person. It kind of looks blotchy. It looks really good in person, so kind of hard to show you on video. I don't know if it's the way I'm taking the video or what, but the blue looks really good on the keypad in person, a lot better than it does here on the video. Radio has very low hours, was hardly ever used. All the original packing, the manual, the mounting hardware, all that stuff's in here. It does come with the heavy duty bracket as well. It'll be packaged up just like it would be if you purchased a new one. So I'll package this up well, and I package well for shipping too, so no worries there. So I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of the radio. We'll go to 23 here. We'll flip it down to AM. And I'll give you a demonstration. Let's turn the radio all the way down low. About 1 watt. Hello. Audio. Swinging about 20. With the power halfway up. Dead key a little over 15. Audio. Hello. Audio. Swinging about 80. All the way up. RF power. About 25. Audio. Hello. Audio. Swinging just past 80 watts. Sideband. The RF power all the way up. Audio. Hello. Audio. About 90. Let's see here. Audio check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I do have an ICOM on behind me, so you can hear the sideband. So it's right on frequency. Works really good. Station by. I swear every time I make a video, there is no one on sideband. Station by. Alright, nope, sorry, there's no one on there. But the radio, and the radio is amazing. Really cool radios. And like I said, this one has very low hours. It's basically brand new. It's still got the protective covering on the top cover, and I believe on the bottom. Yep, on the bottom cover, the protective coating's still on there too. So, I mean, like I said, the radio very, very low hours. So, and unfortunately, I can't show you how good the blue keypad looks. It looks really cool how it fades from blue to white on the ends. Looks really nice. You'll definitely be happy with it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe. There's always something new coming out, and it goes to my YouTube before it hits eBay. So when you get a notification that the YouTube video is uploaded, you'll know that it's about to hit eBay. You can also message me too if there's anything in particular you're looking for. Let me know. I may have it. I have lots of parts radios. I have lots of stuff that I'll be listing. I've collected so much stuff over the years, and now it's just kind of time to clear out a lot of it I purchased even though I knew it wasn't working, and was just going to have it fixed. So, I mean, there's tons of radios that'll be coming up in the future. So thanks so much. Take care, and the winner of this radio will definitely be very happy with this. Definitely. Thank you. Take care. 73s.